So here I am at the Plaza Hotel on 5th Avenue in New York City, in the United States. My room is the premier room, and it's room number 739. So I'm going to take you and show you around and show you the facilities. So I'll go in the room there, and I'll take you in here. Okay, so to start off, this is the bedroom here, and as you turn around in this area here, you have the front door we just entered in. This is the bedroom. Not a big room, but sorry, it's a pretty big room for a single room. But so the bedroom, you've got a sitting couch over there, desk and iPad to control the room. You also have a TV here on the wall, flat screen TV, nice chandelier and things like that. And you've got the bed, as you can see. And I'll just take you over here. So now I'll just take you and show you these mini bar and all that sort of thing. They've got nice handles there with PP on there. So obviously some storage area and ice tray and that sort of thing. Wardrobe. And this one here is obviously the minibar, fully stocked with lots of alcohol and drinks and things like that. You also got some other sweets and other minibar snacks there. And now I'll take you to the bathroom and show you around. So now as I take you to the bathroom, it's got a lovely mosaic tile all over the floor and on the walls and that. And you got a nice large soaking tub and mirror. There's me, hello. It's nice inlay here in the sink, is nice touch. Amenities and things like that, hair dryer and that sort of thing. It's very nice. It's had a refurbishment, I think, in the last few years. So his and her sinks, and as I open this door here, has a nice large shower with a big shower head there. All those sort of products and temperature control and things like that. And lastly, what everyone wants to see is the toilet. This room here is facing, I'm not sure what street that is, but it's an office building on 5th Avenue. Yeah, so that is the Plaza Hotel in New York City, premier room. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks very much for watching.